Welcome to the infrared of me TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So let's first launch the settings application, and after that scroll to the security section. Then tap here to the SIM card lock, and to lock your device with SIM card with SIM pin, click here once on the switcher, and now just enter the password. In my case, that will be from 1 to 4, and after that just to confirm the action, click to OK, and now we have here the message that SIM1 pin is enabled successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.